Hi, as you might know, we've just moved apartments. Everything is still chaos. So rather than not release a video for you at all, what I've got for you today is a really powerful exercise that I did for a summit that I was invited to be part of last year. Enjoy it, and let me know if you want more of this type of thing in the future, and I'll make that happen for you. Okay, here's to Janet of the past. You've chosen a fun and exciting life as an entrepreneur, but it's one that comes with very many pitfalls. I offer this workshop to you to give you some tools that will mitigate the obstacles that you're going to face. I want you to reach your full potential as a successful entrepreneur, but more than that, I also want you to feel successful and happy along the way. Sounds good? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, what does happiness mean to you? Yeah, what does it feel like? Yeah, can you tell in your body when you're happy? What does your body feel like? And what about success? How will you know that you're successful? I want you to really think about the answers to these questions. As entrepreneurs, we're very used to setting goals and targets, aren't we? Yeah, we have our KPIs that we're monitoring and we have a strategic way of achieving them. But what about the most important things in our lives, like our happiness and emotional well-being? Because they affect every area of our lives, right? We rarely set benchmarks for them, and as they say, unless you know where you're going, you're likely to be running around in circles going nowhere. So let's know exactly what we're trying to achieve when it comes to our happiness, fulfillment, and success. Yeah, it's like putting a destination into your GPS system. If you don't have a clear destination, how will you know when you get there, right? I know you've done it for your business, so now I want you to do the same for your life and the lives of your team. For a very long time, way too long really, I thought that happiness and success meant getting the house, getting the car, or getting the bank balance. It was only when I'd actually achieved all of those things and still had that feeling of emptiness that I realized that just maybe I had to redefine what those words meant for me personally. Yeah. I realized that having my work in luxury magazines wasn't enough to make me feel happy or successful. Being on wedding TV wasn't enough to make me feel happy or successful. And even being one of only 2 recommended wedding cake suppliers to the Ritz Hotel in Mayfair, London, still wasn't enough to make me feel happy or successful. And you know what? Back then, I wasn't even happy when my clients were happy because I couldn't stop finding fault in my work. All the perfectionists in the room know exactly what I'm talking about. So no matter what anybody else said, my work and myself was never quite good enough. And because I never felt good enough, how could I possibly feel happy or successful? Now, feeling good enough is a 3-hour workshop all on its own. But today, we're going to glimpse into what that feels like by doing an exciting and expansive exercise. This is really going to help you if you experience imposter syndrome or have inherent self-doubt or a lack of self-confidence. But it's also going to help you if you don't experience any of those things, but are looking to up-level to an as yet unknown degree of success. So if you're scaling your business, this is really going to help you to scale faster without the fear and doubt that often comes with a change in circumstances. Even a good change can affect you negatively. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. So we're going to take you on a short alpha wave journey. And during this journey, I'm going to take you back to a time when your self-confidence or self-belief might have been a little bit rattled. You won't be reliving any past events. You'll be detached from them and reviewing them only. We're going to go back and stabilize that younger version of you and give them what they needed in that moment to live their happiest life going forward. I want to assure you that although I'm facilitating this experience, you are in complete control and can step out of it at any time you choose just by opening your eyes. Okay, you ready? Let's get into it. So get comfortable, maybe shake out a little bit, plant your feet, just feel comfy in your chair. Yeah? And take a big breath and close your eyes. So inhale deeply into your stomach and just feel your stomach expanding. And exhale and empty all the air out of your stomach, out of your body. Empty it as much as you possibly can. And we're going to repeat that a couple more times. Okay. Inhale into your stomach. And exhale to emptiness, as empty as you can. Inhale. And exhale. Now on your next inhale, I'd like you to open your eyes and look up into your eyebrows. And keeping your eyeballs looking up, exhale. Continue to look into your eyebrows and let's just repeat that breath pattern. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Don't worry about the fluttering, that's just normal and natural and good. Inhale. And as you exhale, keep your eyeballs looking up, but lower your eyelids right down. Yeah. And I want you to lower your chin and relax your eyes and have that looking down sensation as though you're looking over a balcony. Now breathe deeply but naturally and maintain that looking down feeling. You're at the top of the flight of stairs and you can see your feet as you slowly make your way down. You're on step 10 and 9 and you can see your feet, you can feel your feet, and you can hear your feet connecting with every step as you go down, down and down. You're on step 8 and 7, and every sound around you is flowing right through you as you go deeper. You're on step 6 and 5, going deeper and deeper into who you are with every step you take. You're on step 4 and 3, allowing yourself to be pulled deeper into knowing exactly who you are. You're on step 2 and 1, and as you step off step 1, you can feel your feet sinking deeply into the beautiful, thick, luxurious carpet of a hallway. Oh, you walk down the hallway and you feel pulled towards a particular door. Your steps are slow and steady, sinking deeper and deeper into the carpet pile. Down and down and down the hallway you go, with every step getting you closer to where you know you want to go. Step by step, you walk deeper down, down, down the hallway until you reach the door. As you open the door, you step into a scene connected to a time in your past when your confidence was shaken. A time when maybe you lost a little of your self-belief. A time when you questioned whether you were good enough or worthy enough to receive love. I want you to picture that scene now and the younger version of you standing, sitting, or lying down within it. How old are you? What are you wearing? What can you see or sense around you? What does it smell like? As you look at your younger self, how are they feeling? Now I want you to imagine stepping into that scene and standing or kneeling in front of your younger self. What is it that they need in this moment? What do they need to hear from you to feel better about themselves? I want you to take their little hand in yours look into their eyes and say the words that they most need to hear now. Help them to feel all the love, acceptance, and acknowledgement they need now. Hold them in a tight embrace and tell them that they are loved for all that they are. Tell them that they are accepted for all that they are. Tell them that you see them and hear them, and there's nothing that they can do or say that will prevent you from loving them completely. They are unconditionally loved. Your love for them is unconditional. Hear what they have to say in return. Thank them for going through this experience and assure them that they not only get through this, but they go on to live the most incredible life. Tell them a story of everything that you've achieved and everything you've accomplished, and let them know that they're perfectly safe and everything turns out fine. Reassure them that they are never alone and that you are always here for them and with them. And notice the feelings that they feel now. Notice how they're possibly more relaxed. Maybe they're smiling. Maybe they're laughing. Maybe you notice how their posture has changed and they're standing or sitting more upright now. As you take a big breath and embrace them again, assimilate that version of you back into your present day self and notice how you, present day you, is feeling now. Really feel into those feelings and expand them throughout your body. And holding on to those feelings, make your way back to the stairs and back to the here and now. You're on step 10 and 9, step 8 and 7, step 6 and 5, still feeling all those feelings of wholeness, completeness, gratitude, love, and happiness. You're on step 4 and 3, 2 and 1, and you're back in the here and now.